Hello my dear children, welcome back again to the writing session of your e-learning class, and I hope you all are studying very well and practicing to write cursive letters. Okay. So today you all know what we are going to learn. Yes, we are going to learn how to write cursive small p and q. Okay, so let's move ahead and learn. But we'll see before that what you all have learnt in nursery class. So we'll revise. P for parrot. You all can see here two pictures of parrots. Okay, in this picture there are two parrots. Parrots are green in color. Okay, and they have a red beak. So P for parrot. Then is P for pen. We use pen to write in the books. So P for pen. You can see here two pictures of pens. See how it is writing over here. P for pen. P for parrot. P for pen. Next we will see P for peacock. It is a beautiful peacock over here. You can see here two pictures of two peacocks over here. Peacock is our national bird. And this is the formation how we have to write. Okay, like this we have to write in the 4-line book. P for peacock, P for parrot, and P for pen. So we'll move ahead and we'll learn how to write cursive small p. First we'll practice to write on a plain page, and then we'll practice to write in the 4-line book. Okay. So first let's practice. P starts from second down blue line, go up, again come down, then without lifting your hand, again on the same line go up and then come down like this. Cursive small p. Okay. Starting from down, go up, on the same line come down, then again on the same line go up, come down, make a curve. Cursive small p. Again we will see children, down to up, then again on the same line come down, then without lifting your hand go on up on the same line, then curve. This is cursive small p. This starts from here, then go up, down on the same line, again up on the same line, turn small curve. Cursive small p. See children, this is the wrong method to write p. Okay, you don't have to lift your pencil, you don't have to lift your hand. See how you have to follow. Go up, down on the same line, again go up, turn down. Cursive small p. Okay, starting from here go up, on the same line down, on the same line up, turn, make a curve, turn. cursive small p. Now we'll practice to write in 4-line book. Okay, so this is your 4-line page, and starting from the down blue line, you have to go up to the red line, then again same line, come down to the red line, same line, go up to blue line, then come down, make a curve. Cursive small p. Be careful in writing, children. Slowly you write, but you write neatly and clearly. Okay. Starting from down here, blue line, go up to the red line, up, then on the same line, without lifting your pencil and hand, come down to the red line, then again on this line only, go up to the blue line, up, and then down, turn, curve. Cursive small p. Again, starting from here, down blue line, go up to the red line, then on the same line, come down to the red line, on the same line up to the blue line, curve, turn. Cursive small p. Again we'll write, starting from down blue line, go up to the red line, then again same line, come down red line, then follow the same line, up blue line, down, turn. Cursive small p. Be careful, children, observe carefully and write like this only in your 4-line book. See, this is the wrong method to write, children. Okay, you don't have to lift your pencil or hand, or you don't have to go out of the red line. Okay, you have to follow the line. This is also the wrong method. In proper formation, you have to write p like this. See, starting from down, go up, down on the same line, down red line, follow the same line, up blue line, down, turn. Okay, again like this, touch the down red line, touch the up blue line, down blue line. Cursive small p. Now next letter we'll see is Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. We use it when we feel cold. It is a quilt. Q for quilt. Next, Q for quail. It is a bird. Q for quail. Then Q for quill. It is a feather and it is used to write in books. In olden days, people used to write like this in the books. It is a quill. Q for quill. Now we will see how to write cursive small q. So children, be careful, look carefully and write carefully in your books. Starting from down, go up, again down. C you have practiced to write, make a C, then again go up, then on this same line come down, then go up half till here. Cursive small q. You have learnt C and A, how to write C and A. So first you follow that. starting from down. See how Miss is writing. C you write, then A, come down straight and then go up like this. Cursive small q. Again make C, A, come down and up. Cursive small q. Again we'll see down, make a C, A, down, Q. And see children, this is the wrong method to write. Without lifting your pencil, without lifting your hand, you have to write like this. Starting from here, go up, make C, then A, then come down and then again go up like this. C, A, down and then up. Okay. Now we'll practice to write in the 4-line page, 4-line book. Okay. Look carefully children and write slowly and neatly. Starting here from second blue line, go up to the blue line, come down, again go up, come down to red line, then again go up to the second blue line here. Cursive small q. Again starting from down blue line, go up to the blue line, down, up, then down red line to the up blue line, second blue line here, Q. Okay. See carefully children how Miss is writing. Down blue line, start, go up, down, then again down red line till second blue line here. Cursive small q. Again you have to write very carefully and neatly. Cursive small q. And this is the wrong method children. Okay, so do not write like this. You have to follow like this method only to write in your 4-line book. And line, your Q should not go out of red line or blue line. This is also wrong method. Okay, so follow how Miss has written here in this first line. Cursive small q. Now after learning P and Q, I know you all have learnt B and D. 2 letters B and D you all have already learnt. So today we will learn how to join B and D. Okay children. So first you have to write B and without lifting your pencil you have to write D. Join D with B. B, D. Okay. Again we will see B join with D. Join D with B. And you all also can practice D and B. You have to follow the lines children. Be careful in writing. Your writing should not look dirty. Okay, the letter should not go out of the line. It should be in the line how Miss has written here. Okay, D and B. First what we wrote? B, D. Join B, D. Again B, D. Then we join D with B. We join B with D. D, B. D, B. Okay. One more time we will see, children. Starting from blue line, go up, down, B and D. See how Miss is moving hand. Okay, Miss is writing without lifting the pencil. So you all have to follow this method only. B, D, and then D, B. Both you can practice. D, B, B, D. Okay, D, join B with it. Okay, B, D, B, D, D, B, and here also D, B. So children, I hope you all understood how to write P and Q, and then to join two letters B and D, D and B. So practice carefully in your 4-line book and do the homework neatly. Till then, bye and see you in the next video.